everyone, welcome back to HelloVSTV. Today I have some special gear from DJI that they sent me to review. But before we get started, please subscribe to the channel and like this video, it really helps the channel grow. If you are a content creator or musician, 360 cameras can completely change the way you film your content. Whether you are traveling, performing live, or recording sessions in the studio, a single 360 camera can capture the entire environment. Instead of placing multiple cameras around your studio, one 360 camera records everything. Later, you can reframe the footage and create multiple camera angles from a single take, which is incredibly useful for music performances and creative videos. Today we are comparing two of the most exciting cameras in this category, the DJI Osmo 360 and the Insta360 X5, which are considered two of the best 360 cameras right now in 2026. Both cameras record 8K 360-degree video, but the DJI Osmo 360 pushes things a bit further. It can shoot 8K at up to 50 frames per second and support 10-bit color, which gives you significantly more color information when you are grading your footage. For musicians creating cinematic studio videos, live sessions, or YouTube performances, this can take a noticeable difference. Skin tones, stage lights, and colorful LED lighting all look smoother and more natural with the extra color depth. DJI also designed the Osmo 360 with large dual sensors and powerful HDR processing, which helps preserve details in both highlights and shadows. So if you are filming in a dim studio or on a stage with challenging lighting, the Osmo handles those situations very well. Now let's talk about the Insta360 X5, which I previously reviewed. Insta360 has been making 360 cameras for many years, and their software ecosystem is extremely mature. Their editing tools, especially reframing, tracking, and stabilization, are some of the best in the industry. Battery life is another area where Insta360 has an advantage. The X5 uses a larger battery of about 2400 mAh, while the DJI camera uses a slightly smaller battery. However, DJI compensates with very efficient power management and still delivers around 100 minutes of recording in 8K, which is quite impressive for such a compact device. Another thing I really like about the DJI Osmo 360 is the integration with DJI's ecosystem. If you already use DJI microphones or other accessories, the workflow becomes very seamless. DJI also includes 128 GB of built-in internal storage, with about 105 GB available for recordings, since part of the memory is reserved for the system files. This is a big advantage because with the Insta360 X5 you need to purchase a separate micro SD card before you can start recording. Another thing I really like about the DJI Osmo 360 is that the Osmo 360 batteries are compatible with DJI Action Series batteries, which makes it much easier for creators who already own other DJI cameras. So which one is better? If your priority is image quality, cinematic color, and strong low light performances, the DJI Osmo 360 is extremely impressive. If you want flexibility, durability, and a very mature editing ecosystem, the Insta360 X5 is still one of the best options available. The truth is that both cameras are powerful tools. A single 360 camera can replace multiple camera setups and allow you to create dynamic music videos, studio sessions, and social media content from just one recording. Personally, I think both cameras are fantastic tools for musicians and creators. Now, I would love to hear from you. Which one do you think is better? Let me know in the comments below. And this is all about this review. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video.